To install the Kolpin front half steel doors on your Ranger SP570, follow these steps. Kolpin recommends 2 people to install this kit. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by using hand tools to remove the left-hand side net. Next, remove the upper net clip on the door frame. Then, remove the lower net mount on the floor. After this, remove the screws from the door frame. Now, remove the 2 plastic push rivets and remove the P-point cover. Then, remove the fastener underneath the cover. Continue by removing the push rivet on the door frame. Next, remove the left-hand upper Ranger door assembly from the packaging. Then, install the left-hand vehicle side hinge first, using 2 screws with nut plate by hand. Now, using 5 screws, install into the vehicle hinge location. After this, install the upper 2 outer screws into the A-pillar tab by hand. Continue by tightening screws to specification. Next, install plastic push rivets into the 3 vehicle hinge locations. Slightly loosen the left-hand door side hinges by loosening the 6 flange lock nuts. Then, close the door. Push the door inwards while centering the door in the ROPS/chassis opening. Checking the front to rear adjustment, then tightening the lock nuts to specification. Tip: have one person push and center the door, and a second person tighten the screws. Now, remove the 2 OEM fasteners on the ROPS rear cab support. Next, install the left-hand striker bracket using 2 hex flange screws with 2 lock nuts. Tighten to specification. Continue by opening the door latch handle, lifting up on the orange handle. Then, slowly close the door and observe engagement of the striker pin into the door latch. Adjust the striker pin to achieve the following. Height: the pin should be centered vertically between the upper and lower latch opening/pawls. To adjust, loosen the lock nut on the striker pin/bracket, slide the striker pin up or down as required, then retighten the striker pin lock nut to specification. Adjust the vehicle hinge and/or striker bracket to achieve the following. Depth: there should be clearance between the top of the door and the bolster bar. To adjust, loosen the striker bracket 2 screws, and slide the bracket left or right of the vehicle centerline. To provide more depth, loosen the vehicle side hinge side screws and slide the bracket left or right of the vehicle centerline. Finally, repeat this procedure on the other side. For more information, see your authorized Kolpin dealer or visit Kolpin.com.